This is an introduction video to the Expert in 8D problem solving course, which is designed to help quality engineers in becoming an expert in leading 8D team to solve quality issues. One of the most important job functions for a quality engineer is able to drive different functional teams towards solving problems. By taking this course, you will have all the expertise in all the 8D phases to enable you to lead a cross-functional team to contribute in each phase effectively and leading to the problem solved. This course comes with a real-life example where you can understand the dynamics of each phases in the 8D, and also it will helps you to understand better with the real life example. Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. Many companies have a firefighting approach to quickly fix the problem without properly understand the problem to enable effective action to eliminate the problem. This has caused a pain point to the company and individual with ever repeating problems spreading like a fire to other areas. No wonder it's called firefighting. 8D team approach problem solving is a structured step-by-step approach to solve and prevent problems from occurring in other areas if used effectively. I have applied 8D extensively to solve quality problems. With my practical experience in deploying 8D, I have designed this course to enable students to be an expert in 8D. This course starts with introduction to problem solving and go through all the 8 disciplines one by one: D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, and we end with Discipline 8 of congratulating the team. And it's not yet over, where I also have included an overview of an 8D tracking system. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand and describe problem, apply a systematic approach and root cause analysis, and understand what situation or what type of problem use an 8D approach, lead an effective 8D team, build a strong foundation in problem solving, and eliminate problem with systemic action. I hope to see you in my course. Thank you. This course comes with 3 downloadable files, which include an 8D template summary for each phase and a real-life 8D problem-solving example, which you can use immediately and override the example for your own problem-solving cases. There will be a quiz at the end of each module to test your understanding. This course has a 2-hour plus on-demand video which you can access on mobile device, means you can take the course anywhere. A full lifetime access where you will get my future updates and a certificate of completion from Udemy. Udemy is known for an affordable course provider. With a small investment, you can download my 30 years of experience to become an expert in 8D, where your skills will be a valuable asset to any organization. You will also beat your competitors in a job interview, where you can use my case study on questions like how you solve problem with an 8D approach. What are you waiting for? Just click on the button below to enroll in this course, and you are on your way to become a champion in 8D. You can also connect with me through LinkedIn per the link provided below to get a special rate.